Hey everyone, today I'll be showing you some more advanced F2L tricks and algorithms, including this case where you have both pieces in the slot with white facing you and the colors here line up, being solved like this. Hey everyone, before the video begins, I just have a really quick announcement I want to make. I'm now officially a brand ambassador of SpeedCubeShop.com. If you guys want to help support the channel, you guys can use my discount code MCubers at SpeedCubeShop.com for a 5% discount off your order. Alright, back to the video. If you want to see the other videos in this series, feel free to click the card over here in the top right hand corner. So in this case, basically what you're doing is you're using wide R moves or L moves depending on how you visualize it. And first you do this to move this pair into here like so. You move this pair over there with U2 and you solve this cross piece back with R, U, R prime, and that pairs it up and you can insert it like so. So this is the case where you have the colors here lining up and you have white facing you. But there's also this case which is really similar, which is pretty much the same thing except that instead of the colors lining up on the right side, the colors line up in the front and the white, instead of facing you, faces to the side. So in the case where the colors here line up, you can do this algorithm instead. R, U, F, sec C, F prime, R prime, and that will also solve this pair into the front. And doing it fast will look something like this. So next up, I'm going to show you how to solve this case where you have these two pieces connected to each other and they have to be solved in this back slot right here. So you can rotate and use the RU algorithm, or you could do one of two advanced algorithms which I'm going to show today. So for this case, you can actually pair it up like so by moving this corner to here, move it all the way to the end here, and solve the cross piece, and that will actually pair this up. And then you can insert it like this, or like this, or however way you usually insert it. But the even better thing you can do is to cancel into the insertion. So once again, you start off like this and move this corner over here, and instead of doing a wide R move here, you do an M prime and R prime, do a F to connect this, and then you just solve the cross with R, F prime, R, and that will solve it into the back. Doing it fast will look something like this. Okay, for the exact same case, we also have another algorithm. So for this algorithm, you just pretend that this edge and this corner is a pair, and you try and insert this pair. So you insert it like this. This is actually an insert that I showed in my Advanced F2L insertions video. And now we have this case, which can be solved like this. Once again, you insert this pair here, like this, and solve the cross piece. And then you have this case, which can be solved like so. And doing it fast will look something like this. Okay, now I'm going to show you the next case. The next case is pretty similar, but instead of the white facing the top and having these colors line up, the colors on the top line up and you have white facing the side. You can solve it by putting it into the back and doing this. R2 into a sledgehammer, R, pair it up, and you can just insert it as per normal. Once again, R2 into a sledgehammer, R, and that pairs it up, and you can just insert it like so. Doing it fast will look something like this. So next up, I'm going to show you this case, and basically the colors here line up and you have white facing the side. So to solve this case, you move this edge over there, you pair it up like this, U, and then you do R prime to pair it up over here, and then you solve this cross piece with F, R2, F prime, and that should solve the pair into the front. And doing it fast will look something like this. Now for all of these algorithms that I have showed you today, I used my right hand, but make sure you guys know the mirror cases for this, as those can be really useful as well. Okay, so that's gonna wrap it up for today's video. Once again, if you guys want to see any more videos on Advanced F2L, feel free to click the card over here in the top right hand corner. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.